Thank you for calling technical support. My name is James.
I work for the IRS.
Is there anything wrong with you? Are you okay? Did you take the medicine?
I did. I'm okay now. So let's work on my taxes.
What is that?
I said I took my medicine, dumbass. So let's work on my taxes now. Well, got something to
Why are
say?
you calling me?
Huh?
Why are you calling me?
Because I love you.
I'm not gay.
I am not gay either. I like women like you.
Oh my god.
You sound pretty.
Thank you for calling tech support. My name is Sam. How can I help you?
Yes, you guys called me about my taxes or something? Is there something wrong with my taxes?
Yes.
What? Probably you. You stink, you piece of shit.
You shit.
You shit.
You shit.
No, you shit. No, you. No, you.
You are my dog shit.
No, you. No, you are my dog shit.
You are my cat shit.
No, you are my horse shit. Oh, I got you on that one. Horse shit. Oh, ho, 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 ho.
You are the only one who is my red shit.
What? What?
Okay, boy. Don't call us, okay?
Are you the IRS? Are you the real IRS?
Mm-hmm.
No, you're not.
Your dog is barking. Just go to fuck your dog.